Hello, today I'm going to give a demonstration of how we can use coroutines in order to control firing rate. So in this scene, I've created two blasters. The one on the bottom is going to fire automatically, and the one on the top is going to fire when you press the spacebar. So I'm just going to go ahead and push play so you can see what happens here. So the blaster on the bottom is firing once per frame right now, which is creating a steady stream of bullets. And the one on top, every time I push the spacebar, it fires. But I can press spacebar really fast. And if that's the effect that you want, great. But a lot of times we want to be able to control the fire rate. So we're going to use what's called a coroutine in order to manage the firing rate. So let's go ahead and jump into our script. Here's our auto fire script. So you can see that I've got a public game object bullet and a public game object bullet spawn. So the bullet's the prefab that's going to be spawned, and the bullet spawn is the position where it's going to spawn. The instantiate command is in the update method, which means that it is instantiating a bullet every single frame. So what I'd like for it to do is to fire every certain time period. So let's say 1 second. So let's go ahead and put a public float fire rate, and we'll call that 1F right now, and that'll represent 1 second. So the update method runs once per frame, so think of that as about 60 frames per second. This command right here is spawning 60 bullets per second. And what I want to do is slow that down. Unfortunately, the update method runs once per frame, and I can't put anything to slow it down in there. The update method has to go every frame. So what I'm going to do is create a coroutine that is going to run next to the update method. That way, the update method's gonna fire off every single frame, and then the coroutine is going to stand to the side and wait. So what I'm going to do here is say only instantiate it if something is true. So I'm gonna go up here and make a boolean here. I'm going to say that I have a bool called can shoot. And initially, can shoot is going to be true. So I want to only instantiate this bullet if can shoot is true. So if can shoot, then go ahead and instantiate this bullet. Now, what I need to do here is after you instantiate the bullet, now can shoot needs to turn false. So the way this program's going to work is it's going to start off, it's going to fire a bullet, and then immediately can shoot is going to turn false. So that means it's not going to be able to shoot another bullet. Let's just look at what that looks like right now. There it goes, just one bullet. Now what I'm going to do is use the coroutine in order to wait for a little while and then turn can shoot back to true. So down here I'm going to create my coroutine, and the return type of a coroutine is IEnumerator, and I'm just going to call this shoot delay. Now in shoot delay, I need to tell it to do a yield return new wait 4 seconds. And then right here, I'm going to use the number of seconds that I want as an argument, and I'm going to use the variable fire rate right there. That way I can go and change it. So now, as soon as I run the coroutine, it's going to wait for fire rate seconds, in this case 1 second. And then after it's done waiting, I want it to turn can shoot back to true. Now that's it for my coroutine. The last thing I need to do is in my update method, I need to tell it to use the coroutine, and that's as simple as saying start coroutine. Which coroutine am I going to start? I'm going to start the shoot delay coroutine. Make sure I put my parentheses there. Control S to save that. And now what I should see in my game is this auto blaster right here is only going to shoot once per second. There's one. There it goes. So let's go ahead and repeat that process for the controlled shooting. So just like before, I want a public bool called canShoot, and it is going to start off being true. And I want a public Firerate. Oh, sorry, it's a public float Firerate. And for this one, let's say 0.5, because I'm going to be hitting the keyboard. And then right here, I have if input get key down key code space, and then I'm just going to add on here and canShoot is true. We're going to instantiate. We're going to turn canShoot into false. And then we want to start our coroutine, but we haven't written our coroutine yet. So again, the return type of this coroutine is an IEnumerator, and I'm going to call this shoot delay. In fact, this is exactly the same. I could just copy and paste it, but I like getting the practice of typing it in. Yield, return, new, wait 4 seconds. Firerate. And then canShoot turns true. I'm going to go back up here into my update, and I'm just going to call that coroutine. Start coroutine. And then which coroutine am I starting? I'm starting the shoot delay coroutine with the parentheses in there because it's a method. Control S to save, and let's go back into Unity to see how that looks. Okay, so my auto fire is working just fine, and now I'm gonna start spacebar, makes one shoot, and then I'm gonna press it really fast. And you see, no matter how fast I shoot it, it's only firing every half second. So, that is how you control Firerate with coroutines. Thanks for watching.